Ugoko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Muthenya wa ira Moses Kuria ni ari Citizen TV na ina interview na Jeff Koinange. Thĩinĩ wa interview hena ũndũ Moses Kuria araugire. Na bemwe araugire ũũ ati Ruto anahotwo gĩthurano kĩa 2027 ati agatuĩka opposition leader. Ũguo nĩguo Moses Kuria arauga. So Ruto nimonete ni akahotwo na thaa ici Ruto to ni amenya ni arahotwo. Do you know he is preparing to be opposition leader? Akauga atiriri Ruto agacoka arugame mwaka wa 2032. Moses Kuria akauga atiriri Ruto no ahotane riri atena kule Mount Kenya region. Hau nĩ ngũka tũrore baadaye. No haha Moses Kuria ũrĩa arauga Ruto agatuĩka opposition leader. Na a very rebel opposition leader. Nĩ kũhũthĩire. Na bemwe Ruto nĩ amenya nĩ akahotwo. Na akĩmenyaga nĩ akahotwo, they are green, nĩ maagiri nĩ akahotwo. No Moses Kuria kuga atiriri ati andũ Mount Kenya mecirie Ruto agakorwo a very rebel opposition leader nĩ kwenderia arenderia andũ a Mount Kenya guoya. Okay, anatuĩka opposition leader. The big question I'm asking myself is agoka kwĩra a Kenya atia thirikari ĩno ndĩraruta wĩra yake nĩ arutire wĩra. You see, this government has created a lot of problem. And by the way, Kinara amenya nĩ akahotwo create more problem ĩgetha thirikari ĩrĩa ĩngĩ ĩgoka andũ makona tetaruta wĩra. Iyo nĩ ĩgakorwo exit plan yake ĩgetha onekana andũ nĩ makamwĩtĩkĩra rĩngĩ. He will cause more problem ĩgetha andũ mone nĩ tararutaga wĩra. That's why urona thaa ici nĩ areheta ODM. Nĩ auga atĩrĩ no zone nĩona onake nĩ enda kũrũgamia andũ na UDA kũrĩa kwa ODM. Nĩ tuonire Joho nĩ enda gũka na kĩama gĩake kuma kũrĩa Pwani. Kĩama gĩkĩ gĩ thutha wao no rehete kĩama gĩkĩ. It's a strategy ya kũruta andũ a Pwani kuma kwĩ ODM kumarehe thutha wa Ruto through another political party. Ruto amecheza hii game. I agree he's going home, but akona another strategy ya bounce back. Tewero video no ya Moses Kuria na mwana gĩtũ kĩnene mũno mũsubscribe thĩinĩ wa channel ya Kikuyu podcast. Thank you for those who are supporting me. Inyi mũraragia Kikuyu podcast, nyinyi ni watu wa nguvu sana. May God bless you so much. Tukaiona kwenye notification button na subscribe akodo subscribe ina video ya Moses Kuria.
By April of next year, Mount Kenya will make its decision.
4 months to the election.
4 months to the election. That time it will be clear that Rigathi is not a candidate. That time it will be clear that they are Kamagiras, so they say let us make the best bet. And then they'll make another consideration which you have to consider. You know, some argument I've been having with people from Mount Kenya region. If William Ruto becomes a one-term president, what is he going to become? He'll go home to Sugoi? He'll be the leader of?
Opposition.
With how many MPs?
Well.
With what influence? A lot of influence. So let me ask you a question, multiple choice, A or B. Who will be a more leader opposition leader? William Ruto or Raila Odinga? All factors constant. William Ruto will be a more leader of opposition. And that's something that to start thinking on Kikuyus or Mount Kenya people. Second, okay, he's a one-term president. He's gone. See, he'll come back in 32 with the Kisirani. See, you guys, you voted me out. Look at the governors who have come back after being voted out, my friend. The cries I'm hearing in counties like Laikipia, West Pokot, Kitui. You don't really want to go back there.
Huh?
You don't want to go back there. So, it's something called value proposition. So when
guys, statement here Moses Kuria, it's true. No ruga ati Ruto agako a very rebel opposition leader. Nĩguo arageria kwenderia andũ ati andũ rĩu mone kaba mamũcoketie. Nĩ andũ Ruto Moses Kuria awe ataenderia andũ guoya. onana kwa opposition leader. The big question is aoga kwira andu atia na nie first of all thirikari yake yambite guthukia economy. Thirikari yake ni irehete mesi ino yothe. Aoga kwira andu atia te thirikari ino record iye ni irekaga. Another thing, Maskuri arauga thini wa interview ati Ruto no atuike president atari na Mount Kenya region. These guys are dreaming. Ni moe kirima nikio gituaga andu kana mundu president. That's why they have been trying weka kindu gitagwo tribes iria ingĩ cithi mwena ũmwe against Kikuyu, but it failed terribly. Heno ndoge Ruto ageretie gwika tairane gucokaniria tairane of small groups, agathi kuria Mandera kuguo the Wajia, agathi kuria Turuka kuguo ati Maathai amarehe hamwe, athi kuria Pwani, athi kuria Nyanza, acio othe amarehe mwena wake. The way Raila did, iyo nayo negothete ruthingo. Iyo strategy ya Ruto negothete ruthingo. Na strategy o tairane of small groups ndona it's working well on Rigathi Gachagua toni ambĩtie gwĩtĩkĩrĩkĩka kweko ni kuria mwena wa Region, eko ni kuria Garissa Tony andu ni maamwĩtia athi kuria na kuria kũngĩ Pwani kuoguo. So kuga ati he can win without Mount Kenya region unless a Kalonzo the Eugene Wamalwa anatembea othe manyitane na Ruto makoge megikundi kimwe kinene muno Mũgĩkũyũ atigwo enyiki. That's the only way he can win. No tha isto internet na Kalonzo kwina Region tona ni manatikira muno guka kwina Western region kwina region iria ingĩ ciokete kwa united opposition. It's impossible, very impossible. So Maskuri maundu maya mothe rauga no kwenderia Agĩkũyũ guoya, but the fact is ni etikira Ruto ni akainuka magetie gwika mathabu mao matiraingirana. As we speak, Negoji console shinda, we have numbers. They're just consoling themselves, but the reality is they don't have numbers. Kwate Kinani agoka atuike opposition leader. Okay, ana tuika opposition leader ai president agoka kwira andu regime yake niki ekire ati ashoka aenda gwa nashoka ta Trump tamu yake eri ore Trump athie tamu yako ya mbere akihera agicindwo ayuka akihota tamu yake eri thirikari ria ukende arutie wira ya uri andu mona Trump arutaga. But then Ogero Trump has Ogero mwathani wa Trump thaici andu ngini maramikaga muno, andu maramikaga muno. But Ruto guthie gucindwo rita riri ona ngeria gucoka andu matingimwitikira. Uguo niguo kuri. Ile mess amefanya is too big. Na of course educate more mess ni amenye ni athie ngatha thirikari ingi igakora mess nene muno. In fact kuhanda andu kila sector andu aria magako magi sabotage thirikari iria igoka igetha konekana ta rutaga wira. So the next government no ngina magako mari andu mena IQ iguru muno, no ngina mangemenya sector no ni mahanditwo guku uguo no ngina magako na interior igetha makameshua andu aria magere go sabotage thirikari aria mahena information ya thirikari ni upload pole pole. Uguo niguo kuri Konigo podcast mwani manyu mariko inywe murona atia. Thank you so much, God bless you. Horosha Maskuria kana Maskuria kiugo guo inywe murona atia mwani manyu mariko. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is. Kwani iko nini